Yes, my students, last time I taught you how to balance a chemical equation. Okay? Now, today our topic is type of chemical reaction. Here four type of chemical reactions are given, though there is more here. First, the combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction and the double displacement reaction. Except this, there is exothermic, endothermic reaction, oxidation reaction, reduction reaction and redox reaction, which is in your portion. Okay, here we are going to discuss first these four decomposition, these four chemical reactions. Okay, now in this first one is combination reaction. Then we will write here first combination reaction. As the name combination here, when two or more reactants combine and form a single product is called combination reaction. Okay? Here as given that two or more reactants combine and forming a single product. Forming a single, for example here, I am going to take one example, that suppose ammonia NH3 ammonia combined with here with hydrogen chloride gas, hydrogen chloride. This is the gas. Okay, this is also gaseous. Forming ammonium chloride NH4 Cl, that is ammonium chloride. Okay, means from two reactants forming a single product. Next, here that is burning magnesium strip Mg in the presence of oxygen. Okay, that is here magnesium, Mg combined with oxygen forming magnesium oxide. This is magnesium plus oxygen forming magnesium oxide. Okay, from two reactants, here we are getting one product. Okay, and now the third one here, that is calcium oxide. Calcium oxide combined with water forming calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Okay, from two reactant we are getting single product. These are the example of the combination reaction. Next one is, that is your decompose. The next, that is decomposition. Decomposition reaction. Okay. Now see what is decomposition reaction. Here the chemical reaction. Chemical reaction in which two or more products are formed from a single reactant is called decomposition. Is called decomposition reaction. Okay. Here you will see that two or more products are formed from a single reactant. Such reactions are called the decomposition reaction. Here, for example, first sugar is heated in an evaporating dish. Okay. Sugar is heated in an evaporating dish. Here now see the molecular formula for sugar is C12 Yes, 22 of 11. It is heated. Here it's sign of heating, forming carbon solute residue and water vapor evaporated. Okay, this is sugar solid, here carbon solid, carbon. Okay. Now one more I am going to take here on heating, calcium, on heating calcium carbonate, on heating calcium carbonate. Okay, here calcium carbonate, the molecular formula CaCO3, it is heated, forming here calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Here it is calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. Here it is calcium oxide. Okay, and this is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Okay. Carbon dioxide. This means here now see in both the cases that from a single reactant two products are formed. Here this is single reactant and two products are formed. Okay. The next example here, decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, which is a natural process. Here hydrogen peroxide, two molecules, here undergoes the decomposition, forming hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, here this is hydrogen peroxide, which naturally decomposes into hydrogen and oxygen. One more example here, important. By passing electric current through acidulated water means that is in water some drop of acid is mixed. Okay, this reaction takes place by means of electric energy. Therefore, it is called electrolysis. This is the process of electrolysis. Here, water Here water undergoes electrolysis and forming hydrogen gas liberated on one electrode and oxygen on the other. Now see, in all the reactions from one reactant we are getting two products. Okay? Such reactions are called the decomposition reaction. Okay? Now after this, as I told you, displacement reaction. As the name displacement, ion of one element is displaced by another element. Okay? Or you can say that less reactive element is displaced by more reactive elements. Here now see the reaction in which the place of the ion of less reactive element, in a compound taken place in a compound taken by another more reactive elements by formation of its own ion is called displacement reaction. Now see here, in this reaction, the place of the ion of less reactive element taken by another more reactive element. Okay? Place of less reactive element is taken by another more reactive element. Such reactions are called the displacement reaction. Here, for example, I am going to take copper sulfate react with iron forming ferrous sulfate plus copper sulfate. Okay, and another example here, that copper sulfate react with lead forming lead sulfate and iron sulfate. Okay, this is copper sulfate, and here it is lead in solid form forming lead sulfate. Okay, and this is copper lead. Here now see that the copper is replaced by iron, here copper is replaced by lead. Therefore, this is called the displacement reaction. Okay, now now the next reaction, that is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Now see here, as the name double displacement means, as the name double displacement, the ion of the two elements exchange each other in a compound. Okay, now see here, I am going to write the reaction in which the ions of reactants are exchanged to form precipitate is called double displacement reaction. Here the ions of the reactants exchange each other. Okay, for example here, first I am going to take, that is potassium chromate, that is K2Cr4 solution added in barium sulfate solution. Okay, Therefore, here it's barium sulfate combined with potassium chromate forming barium chromate and potassium sulfate. Means here now see this barium and potassium exchange their place. Okay? Here it is barium sulfate. Here it is potassium chromate forming here barium chromate and here it is potassium sulfate. Okay, these are the here it is a one double displacement reaction. I am going to take another here one more, that is silver nitrate react with sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. Okay. Silver nitrate react with AgNO3 react with NaCl forming here sodium nitrate and silver chloride. Here this is silver nitrate with sodium chloride forming sodium nitrate and silver chloride. Okay, this is the another reaction. After this, the next reaction is reaction of barium sulfide with zinc sulfate. Okay, here this is barium sulfide plus zinc sulfate. Barium sulfide with zinc sulfate forming here zinc sulfide and barium sulfate. divided barium sulfate. Okay. This is the here double displacement. Now see here in this the zinc replace barium and barium replace zinc. Okay. Therefore, this is called the double displacement reaction.